Welcome back, Mbugeli, and thank you so much for tuning in to the show. You are currently watching TNB 2024 with your girl, myself, Usinene. But of course, if we VIP Mhlabeni, then you get to call me under my 2000. And as you can see, I'm so happy to get ngiphethe fashion eater, fashion designer, cotton eater, umsiwe kotini. You name it, igama lakhe uZama Bhele Ntshangase. She is the founder of SIED Fashion School, and she's also the next Billionaire Award winner for 2021 under a category Yaga Education. My darling, how you doing?
Ngiyaphila sana samunjani.
Ngiyaphila ukuba umuntu esilisa ngabe ngithi mgazi.
Lalela.
I love this outfit. Uyayithungela showcase.
Thank you so much. Njengoba sowushilo nje.
So now, how do iy'ngane zethu apply to be a part of isikole lesi, i-academy yakho, and also which factors do you look at ukuze accept umntwana? Because I can see ukuthi isikole esingathathi a large number of iy'ngane.
Okay, so indlela esisefa ngayo is we normally do some sort of like an online interview where umntwana or a parent calls. And then we ask a few questions ukubona ukuthi kona are they ready, because kubalekile ukuthi umntwana athi uma enrolla abe ready la uqala asingamboni eseseva lapha esethi here's your bill ngelinye ilanga, because we are grooming ama entrepreneurs akusasa. So udinga ukuthi nje ube no matric. If ungenawo matric asichemile, because this is a skills development center. You can come with any highest grade passed reports, your proof of residency, and then ugcwalisa admission form yalesikoleni.
Proof of residence meaning umntwana mele ahlale around the Potchefstroom.
Not necessary ukuthi around the Potchefstroom, but sibone ukuthi ayikhona la uhlala khona for emergency sake.
Okay.
Because kungenzeka noma yini while umntwana ela eklasini, so we need to be able to know ukuthi kahle hle uphumaphi.
Okay.
Even though i-address ibhala kwi-admission form, but it's not the same, because proof of residence give you the precise house number, if there is a house number.
Okay.
And ngendlela i-next billionaire esakaze ngayo isikole, i-SIED Fashion School. We've had students from Tugela Ferry,
In Northern KZN, my side, Newcastle.
We've had students from Ladysmith. We've got students from Egoli.
That is amazing. You're doing so well. The exposure, the platform is huge, yes.
Iyawenza umehluko, to be honest, from the past years.
No, vele sihlale senza umlando. Into zethu. Hayi ukuthi sathi umlando creatives just nje. There's a reason. Now, before we wrap it up, please talk to me about graduation ceremony ezoba khona ngoDecember. So I'm aware ukuthi shortly after ama awards on the 4th, you have a graduation ceremony of your own when iy'ngane zakho. What's happening there? What are you looking forward to the most in graduation? And also you mentioned uMakhosi, your sister, a lot. Collaboration yakho noMakhosi isebenza kanjani? She also part of SIED Fashion College on your assistant, because I also understand why you fashion design. So talk to us about the graduation and your relationship with your sister.
Okay, so graduation yethu is scheduled for the 5th of December. Izobe khona la ePotchefstroom Civic Center. Usuku lonke nje from 9 o'clock kuze ilanga lezilahla kunini. So la kuzobe khona ama-students showcase ukuthi what they have studied throughout the year, yini abayivukela ekuseni every day, nomakhelwane aze ambuke kanjena
makhelwane nogogo ophilayo.
So sekuzoveza nje nokukhombisa ke o financial support ababo ukuthi no, this is what we have been doing at school. And second year wethu uzobe ke ugqoka amajazi. They are making their own academic gowns. So yes.
Angibuyela esikoleni nizongithungela ijazi elibovu.
Uzolithola.
Ngina-hater ngifuna ukwa.
Yeah, so yeah, bazobe be-graduate. Our second years, laba bama first years ibona, it's just a fashion show. Then the graduation yabo is on the following year once they've completed the 2-year course.
Okay, so the course is 2 years.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
And then udadewethu ke uMakhosazane nayo kwi-industry yaka fashion, of which immediately after ngigraduatile esikoleni she also enrolled, because wayibona ukuthi it's what she loves the most. So siyasizana, yena she's more on the traveling and sightseeing everything yaga
Coming back with the
fashion.
inspiration and
Yes,
the
yes.
ideas
Yeah.
and being the face
Yeah.
and okay, and then you're on the back end
I
kind
mean,
of.
for me, mostly eklasini. That's where I normally banikeze yonke into breakdown ukuthi uqalaphi usika kanjani ungena kanjani emshinini ufinisha kanjani igamenti, and yena she comes with the business side of it where she expose bona aba-provide ama-platform kuma la khona le South Coast and even eThekwini, create relationships with ama-fashion avenues la esithatha khona abantwana bethu sibase khona ukuthi no, recognize our students.
From myself, Usinene, also known as Andama 2000, and Uza Manchanga. Sithunga indawo, siyabuya manje, so you stay tuned in.